doing battle 2 with the fighter and the big chopper.
Sup, guys? And something bad's gonna happen, so peace out. Dun, dun.
So have a good time on this video.
Thanks. Oh, dun, dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun. Fire!
Fire missiles! Fire big missile! Go! Fire the launcher! The big launchers! Fire the other big missile!
He does it. They don't know he gets out. Dun, dun. Dun. No, he's getting it.
And he almost got land over. The helicopter's coming in for it to land. Right?
Yeah, he jumps on the helicopter. He jumps over it.
Wait, no, it's white. It's white. He's right here, and the helicopter's is going to land.
Yeah, pretend it is in slow motion.
Wait, no, he stays right there.
Dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun. Dun.
Sorry, guys. That's
Cut.
Oh wait, guys. This a cut, but I'm just telling you, it's this a cut. Do not say I want to watch the video, please, Mom. Please. I don't know what to do. And now we're back on.
Dun, dun. Ah!
And now big chop. And now little choppers are coming in.
Get in the Cobra. I'm getting in the Cobra. As you can see, guys, the Cobra is more powerful. He got hit, though. It's okay.
The big missile. 2 of them.
Water.
The big one missile.
Missile.
Miss.
It always... What the is that thing supposed to be? What the heck? Hey, who's you? Who are you? Who are you? Peace out, idiots. I love my girl! Yeah! That's awesome, baby! Oh, wow.
And the big flash.
Hey, what's up? What's up?
Right now he has to go.
Hi.
What are you doing?
Hi.
Let's see what you